Well, I got a big oopsie here. See, the jack is just a hair bent. Now, in my defense, it was already bent when I took the trailer. I just didn't do it any favors. So I went to borrow this trailer from my buddy, and when I hooked onto it, I couldn't get the jack to go up more than about 3 inches off the ground. I thought, well, and I couldn't get the slide to come out of it either. I couldn't get it to go up or down, even when it was raised, when it was jacked all the way up. So I took off with it, and I think I probably made it about out of his pasture before it had bent. And it folded the jack back. It was bent up underneath the trailer there, so there's no fixing that. I was able to yank it out of there, and I went ahead and just threw that in when I took the load of scrap. But now it's time to fix this one and get a new jack put on. What I bought, I'm hoping this works quite well. This little guy I'm excited about. This is called the Ultimate Trailer Jack. And I'll have to show you once it's on there why I'm so excited about it. But the main point is your bottom stand here can go up and down, but also this whole barrel goes up and down throughout this brace. So it's a bolt on or weld on. I'm going to cut this old one off, and I'm going to plan on welding this one on. And then once I get it put on here, we'll show you exactly how it's supposed to work. But if it works the way it's supposed to, it should have excellent ground clearance, and that's what I'm really after. Since I tore the jack off this one, I want a jack that is less prone to tear off again. So let me get the old smoke wrench fired up and going here. We'll get this one hacked off, and then we'll go from there. Y'all be patient with my torching skills. I've never claimed to be a professional fabricator by any means. So get my valves figured back out. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see if it cuts off. That looks pretty good. Cut worth the crap or not. Oh, come on, rain. On you. Oh, I bumped my acetylene off. I really don't like this torch, to be honest with you, because the valves are just in a bad spot. They get bumped easy. Junk metal. Now I'll cut off the rest of this bracket. Yeah, we're still rolling, even despite the rain. Try to saw off the rest of this bracket as best I can here, and then we'll replace it. prettiest. And like I said, I've never claimed to be a professional. I think I'm trying to figure out the best way to turn it so I get the most contact area. I'm gonna go get a BFH, get all this hot, and actually do a little bit of forming, pound on a little bit, try to flatten out this back edge some. Got to flatten that off better, and then I'm just gonna weld the crap out of everything that's making contact. We're not actually trying to cut here, just trying to get it nice and cherry hot, which with it raining, which the rain kind of let off right now. So with it raining, it might not really want to do that.